Good morning. What we have here is a palm tree that's located in a terrace region of a plantation. The slope is approximately 12 degrees westwards, and this area is particularly susceptible to runoff during high rainfall. It is what we refer to as prime candidate for soil erosion. And these type of terrains have traditionally been very hard to fertilize for one simple reason. Because fertilizer doesn't stay where you put it. It has a habit of migrating due to rain and due to weather conditions and due to soil conditions as well. And as a result, many plantations use a lot of fertilizer in order to actually upkeep plants in this type of terrain. Now, what we have done in this particular case is, instead of using 5 kg of NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium fertilizer every quarterly, what we have done is we have only used less than 2 kg. So cumulatively, we are using 8 kg per year as opposed to 20 kgs. Now this is a reduction of more than 60%. And what we have found is that there has been no loss in yield. And one reason for this is due to the way in which we apply the fertilizer. What we do is we do not apply 3 kg around the palm circle, but what we do instead is we apply 1 kg in small amounts, and throughout a period of 1 month, and then the following month we apply another kg, and then for the third month we complete the cycle and it starts again. So this is what you call continuous manuring, and we have found that we have been able to maintain the productivity and yield to equivalent standards of manuring on a quarterly basis of using 5 kg applications of NPK. And this should prompt us to ask why. Why is it that when we use less fertilizer, we are able to get the same amount of yield? Well, the first reason is because we apply with increased frequency. Instead of 1 application every quarterly, you have 3 applications. And what this does is it does not damage the soil. The soil pH is very consistent throughout the test period. We tested it throughout a quarterly period and we found no degradation whatsoever, as opposed to applications of 5 kg where the pH spiked and along with the acidity, and this required tremendous amount of augmentation in the form of CRP, which we use, rock phosphates, in order to augment the high acidity and what we can only refer to as soil degradation issues. Another observation that we are able to observe